I was living my parents. I was always a good student. Medical करना था. Architecture happened after failing a lot of entrance examinations for medical. And बचपन से I've been an artist. Started to practice architecture. Did not like it too much. तो लगा some of my friends said क्या कमा रहे हो तुम इतने अच्छे कॉलेज से निकल के. तो then I did my MBA. फिर पैसे भी कमाए बहुत. फिर लगा ये भी नहीं है यार. It just I was not fit for that. So at a whim I left. I didn't want to be married.
So how did it all change your life? The marriage, the motherhood.
जी हर इंसान थोड़ी ना परफेक्ट पति पत्नी बनेंगे ऐसे नहीं होता है. Then when the marriage broke, that time my son was 1 year old. That's when some reality started to come to the surface. I think I started to grow up a little bit. हुआ था कि अकेले ही होते. It was not a pretty picture at all. They felt that it's such a big failure, you know, for them.
How did you manage everything, like balance out?
अरे यार,
because
वो मुश्किल था यार. उस समय मुश्किल था that I can't have my child being raised by you guys, by my parents. I said no, he's going to be raised by me. He's my son. If truth be told to you, again my parents were kind of pushing me. Maybe वो love इतना ज़्यादा था तो एक feeling होती है that हो जाएगा. We'll manage this. We'll manage this. ये गलती बंदियां करती हैं काफी सेवियर सिंड्रोम. तुमको क्या किसी को सेव करना है? अगर तुम किसी को सेव करना चाह रहे हो तुमको अपने आप. When you see something in the other person, that's you. वो अब समझ आया. I needed a second marriage for that. या तो उसमें जीते रहो फिर रो मत. My son has told me today that I've not seen you at this happy. Choose your happiness always. Be selfish. कर लो यार, एक जिंदगी है, हो जाएगा.
वेलकम बैक टू बिहाइंड द हसल एपिसोड 5 विद रुचिका वर्मा. आज की हमारी गेस्ट एक पावर हाउस है टैलेंट और इंस्पिरेशन की. फ्रॉम बीइंग एन आर्किटेक्ट टू अ फुल टाइम आर्टिस्ट टू अ पॉडकास्टर एंड मच मोर, हर जर्नी इज नथिंग लेस देन सिनेमैटिक. लेट्स हेड टू द रियल टॉक, रॉ एंड रियल. वेलकम टू बिहाइंड द हसल एपिसोड 5. So many things happening around you, Kanika. Let me ask with a simple but a deep question. How are you feeling right now?
I am feeling like myself right now, if that answers your question. Totally myself.
Okay. So when you say myself, it's like
Everything, which involves everything. Good, bad, ugly. There are no ugly pieces actually. It's all great. Great meaning everything. You know, just like your show's name, Behind the Hustle, all of it.
all right. So start से बात करते हैं. We have a lot of things in common.
Yes, we
We
do.
are Pisceans.
Yes,
We are Shah Rukh Khan fans.
yes.
And then we both come from Kendriya Vidyalaya.
Kendriya Vidyalaya, of
So
course.
it's a different culture that comes in Kendriya Vidyalaya. So let me ask you, with understanding how Kendriya Vidyalaya culture is, what was that kind of dream? Because वहाँ तो सारे लोग या तो स्पोर्ट्स में जा रहे होते या फिर IIT और मेडिकल करने जा रहे होते. So what was your dream?
यार केवी में आते आते तो ड्रीम मुझे खुद का पता नहीं था, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. केवी वाज द लास्ट 4 years of my schooling. I was living my parents' dream and I thought I was always a good student. So I was in PCMB. So congratulations everybody, yes. And although I sucked at math, but I think medical करना था. But thank God math था. That's how I got into architecture. But if you're asking me dream क्या था तब, no dream. I was just living my parents' dream कि मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है.
Okay.
That's it.
So there was no aspiration ki
At that time,
from
no.
nothing.
At that
no
time, no. But as a kid, yes. And that's who I am today.
All right. So अगर हम बात करें architecture की, so after your 12th you went into architecture. How did the career shape? And I would like to know how this transition happened to art.
That's an interesting question. So art never really left the building. Architecture happened after failing a lot of entrance examinations for medical. I'm from SPA, School of Planning and Architecture, Delhi. That happened in the first shot because maybe it was creative or something. I don't know. It just happened. And during those 5 years of architecture, there's a lot of technical stuff that you're supposed to understand and get trained for. जो मेरे पल्ले नहीं पड़ा, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बट इतना सिखाते हैं कि वो पल्ले पड़ ही जाता है. बट देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ आर्ट, देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी. सो एंड बचपन से आई हैव बीन एन आर्टिस्ट. आई हैव टेकन अ फ्यू क्लासेस. माय मदर हैड पुट मी फॉर सम आर्ट क्लासेस. आई वाज क्रिएटिव फ्रॉम द डे आई वाज बोर्न यार, आई थिंक. That's what I've been told. That's what I see when I see Purana mere, and a lot of nautanki yaar. Lot of nautanki from the age of 3, 4. I've always felt I've been on stage. I've always felt I'm dancing and creating art and listening to music. बचपन से. So that बीच में इधर उधर हो गया for whatever reason. But architecture helped me shape it to some degree. started to practice architecture, did not like it too much. फिर पैसा बीच में आ गया, architects don't earn that much initially. तो लगा, some of my friends said, क्या कमा रहे हो तुम इतने अच्छे कॉलेज से निकल के, तो क्या कमा रहे हो? So I got hurt and then I did my MBA. फिर पैसे भी कमाए बहुत, फिर लगा ये भी नहीं है यार, यहाँ तो बिल्कुल डब्बे के अंदर बैठ के what are you doing? Like I was in Deloitte, nothing against the company, amazing company. It just, I was not fit for that. So at a whim, I left that. At a whim, within 8 months. You're supposed to do minimum of 1 year. You know,
Right.
that's, I think, just who I am in terms of नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है तो नहीं लग रहा. You can't force me. And क्यों नहीं है? It's not random. अंदर से I'm very intuitive, which you would know. You're a Piscean as well. हमें पता होता है. It's not working. Why was it not working? There was no creativity. If so, to answer your question, I came back into interior design, not hardcore architecture, because that had a lot of creativity. This is somewhere around early 2000, 2007-8. ये तब की बात है.
So when did the marriage happen? While you were working?
So yeah, there've been 2 marriages, which is going to be fun to talk about. But the first marriage was 2000, I think 5. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I was studying. I was doing my MBA at that time. That was my first marriage. I didn't want to be married.
Right.
And I didn't say I want, please remember what I said. I'm stressing again. I didn't want to be married. Not I didn't want to get married. मैं जिस तरह की बंदी हूँ, मुझे शादी कर, I don't believe in that concept. फिर भी देखो 2 कर लिए. बताइए.
So how did it all change your life? The marriage, the
marriage.
motherhood?
It spins you, man. It takes you into another vortex, some kind of a universe, especially if you don't want it. इसमें ये नहीं आएगा कि किससे शादी हुई, वो relationship कैसे था, नहीं. The whole concept and what comes with it. You know, forget about relationships. The man I was married to, who's also Aruf's father, very good human being, but बनती नहीं है ना, जैसे सब लोग थोड़ी ना friends बन जाएंगे इस दुनिया में. तो जी हर इंसान थोड़ी ना perfect पति पत्नी बनेंगे, ऐसे नहीं होता है. You know, so the first marriage, yeah, sure, comfortable, all of that, but I was numb. I didn't know what I was doing. I was doing interior design, creative, yes. Was there any like जो अभी है? No. I was just going by motions. हाँ ठीक है, अभी ये करना है, अभी ये साड़ी पहननी है, अभी करवा चौथ करना है. Nothing against करवा चौथ, please, no. Just I don't believe in those traditions. I don't. But I used to still do them to the hilt. कि तैयार होंगे. Again for the drama. I'm all for the drama. कि ये तैयार होंगे, फिर मैं हाथ में थाली लेके ना फोटो लूंगी ऐसे. I don't believe in all of that, but I did all that. Then when the marriage broke, that time my son was 1 year old.
Okay.
That's when some reality started to come to the surface. I think I started to grow up a little bit. Tab. So this was the first marriage, pretty much.
So if you're talking about that phase, what was the biggest challenge when the marriage fell? Like family support, society, because हमारे यहाँ तो बहुत
हाँ,
judgment है.
बहुत ज़्यादा है. And I was in Pune, and from there I came to Delhi, Gurgaon. Support and all नहीं यार, hardly any, nowhere, from nowhere. And बहुत उस टाइम पे समझ आ गया था कि अकेले ही हो तुम. वो तब समझ आ गया था. So अंदर deep inside I knew कि अकेले हैं, but उस समय victim mode में अकेलापन था, जो आज भी मुझे same पता है अकेले हो, but अभी empowerment mode में है, उस समय victim mode में था. That oh damn, मैं बिल्कुल अकेली हूँ and all. Parents थे बोलने के लिए, but no, it was not a pretty picture at all. They felt that it's such a big failure, you know, for them as this thing. I don't blame them. It's, see, उनकी story अलग है. ये this I'm saying. It was tough. And Arav, my son, was only 1 year old that time. Yeah, of course it was tough, yeah. And then to build a career from scratch, Pune, I was doing really well. Pune is a very different ball game altogether.
Correct.
People there treat professionals or anybody for that matter with a very different. It's transactional. Here it is everything to do with prestige, you know. So that I had to first get used to. But you know, Ruchika, now that you're saying this, इतना society ने तंग नहीं किया मुझे. You'll be surprised. इसके 2 reasons हो सकते हैं. ये मैं बोलना चाहूँगी सारी ladies को. आप जिस तरह अपने कपड़े पहनोगे ना और जैसा confidence में चलोगे, वैसे ही जनता आपको देखेगी. आप अगर कुछ पहन के अपने आप conscious feel कर रहे हो ना, तो जनता भी वैसे देखेगी. I didn't feel there was anything wrong. I used to say it straight up. I'm a single woman, and like if somebody would say, I would not hide. I'll be like, I just got a divorce. I'm in the middle of a divorce. आगे बढ़ो, बताइए क्या चाहिए आपको. Maybe because of that, my family and all would have still said a few things. No stranger, no woman, nobody in the society, oh shit क्या हो रहा है आपके साथ, no, none.
Right. So how did you manage everything, like balance out कैसे
अरे
किया?
यार
Because
वो मुश्किल था यार, उस समय मुश्किल था. I put on some weight that time.
hmm,
खाने में तो हम लेते ही हैं अपना, women. खाना खाना doesn't cheat you ना, खाना doesn't betray you. So खाना I started to eat and but यार ज़्यादा time नहीं लगा. Again I pulled
I'll
myself up.
cut you here. Do you think it was more of stress eating or something
Always
like
ना,
that?
stress
Yeah.
eating में बंदियाँ हमेशा, I don't know about men, I'll speak about women, because पहली बात तो पता नहीं क्यों नहीं खाते हैं हम आराम से, क्योंकि वो हमें सिखाया गया है to be like this, which again is something I can't tolerate. Okay, because of that we feel this is not right. तो इसको अगर आप रिप्रेस करते रहोगे तो आप वहीं जाओगे जब स्ट्रेस होगा. दैट्स व्हाट ऑल वुमेन डू. कोई भी मूवी उठा लो, कुछ भी देख लो, बंदी ऐसे ऐसे रहेगी, जैसी स्ट्रेस में है वो चॉकलेट मीठा खाएगी. आई वी नो दैट आल्सो समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी, इट नीड्स टू गो. इट्स अ इविल ऑफ आवर सोसाइटी. बंदे देखे कैसे चौड़े होकर ठूस ठूस के खाना खाते हैं, बंदियां क्यों नहीं खाती वैसे यार? हमें भूख नहीं लगती क्या?
हाँ, मैं तो
खाना
तरीके
चाहिए
से
ठूस
सलीके
ठूस
से
के.
खाओ.
हाँ, खाओ जैसे खाना है यार, and exercise and do all of that. नहीं खाना, वो नहीं खाना, we have to get over it. But anyways, to answer your question, um, yeah, I started to eat and started to put on weight. That was the least of my worries those days. It was more about how do I get back on my feet? How do I become independent? Because all the money I had invested in my house in the previous marriage is as in because of being an interior designer. अरे यार ये टेबल खरीद लो, ये कर लो. तब जब आप शादी करते हो थोड़ा ना सोचते हो, तो वो सारा इन्वेस्ट गया, पैसा उधर चला गया. सो था नहीं ज़्यादा पैसे, तो फिर बिल्ड किया शुरू से. आरव को डाला स्कूल में एंड देन आई वाज लाइक, माय पेरेंट्स सेड हमारे साथ ही रहो. हियर अगेन दिस इज माय पर्सनल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, सबकी अलग स्टोरी हो सकती है. आई डोंट बिलीव इन दैट, बिकॉज एक हायरार्की होती है. एक माँ बाप है, फिर आप बच्चे हो, फिर आपका बच्चा है. आपका हस्बैंड नहीं है. मम्मी पापा को कर ही नहीं पाएंगे कि आपको इंडिविजुअली देखेंगे एज अ मदर. दे विल सी यू एज अ चाइल्ड एंड योर चाइल्ड एज अ चाइल्ड, एंड इफ यू आर लिविंग विद देम under their roof, then they will obviously exercise their parental duties. Your child will then not know who to listen to. Who's the parent here? I didn't want that for Arav. I was like, families, I've been like that throughout. Like I've always questioned things and also had the guts to follow. So I was like, family का मतलब क्या होता है? ये किसने सिखाया? माँ बाप, 2 बच्चे, 4 बच्चे, 15 बच्चे, whatever. I was like, me, my son, my dog, and my career, we can be a beautiful family. Sorry, we can be a beautiful family. That's when I revolted. And I was like, nahin, I can't have my child being raised by you guys, by my parents. I said, no, he's going to be raised by me. He's my son. And he did have access to his father also. We had all of that. आज तक है to his biological father. Yeah. तो बीच बीच में मिलता रहता था. And I raised him and I took that step. So it was even tougher because you have to be all alone. And then you have to make sure that you're there. And I had taken an oath which I live to till date, that time with Arav will come first. Everything else will uphold it. Time, not helicopter parenting. मेरा बल्कि उल्टा है बिल्कुल. But just be around. Just be around after he comes from school. That.
So then love happened again and a fresh start. How was it?
Yes.
How was the feeling?
That was, it was like just some common friend who introduced my second husband to me. And if truth be told to you, again, my parents were kind of pushing me. Both times they were pushing me. I wasn't ready. Both times I wasn't ready. I had started to do well as an architect. I was building my life. Arav had gone into a very good school in Gurgaon. It was a nice, happy, content life. It was my father who again started कि करना है, ये क्या होता है, वो क्या होता है. A little bit of threatening kind of, you know, जो आते हैं parents के father के कि ऐसा है वैसा है. Where you question yourself, या आप कुछ गलत कर रहे हो. तो जब आप उस zone में हो, then you'll attract. So I did attract, and my second husband, and yes, we did fall in love. Like first sight वाला जो होता है, got married within no time, and that's how that started, the second chapter.
So when did you started seeing red flags, or what exactly would you say?
Yeah, red flags अगर बोलो ना, I think red flags are something that this is a little philosophical and spiritual. I feel whenever we are saying red flags to somebody, I am thinking that I am either a white or a green or some other beautiful color wala, and you are a red flag, you know, not saying that नहीं होते हैं, but मुझ में भी तो होंगे ना red flags इतने ज़्यादा that we came together. So no, but to answer your question, of course there were, and yes मैंने उन पे पर्दा डाला था, बहुत थे, लेकिन मे बी वो लव इतना ज़्यादा था तो एक फीलिंग होती है दैट हो जाएगा, we'll manage this. ये गलती बंदियां करती हैं काफ़ी, savior syndrome. I'll save you. The very fact that I felt that I'm going to save you means there was a lack in me. I was not whole also ना. तुमको क्या किसी को सेव करना है? अगर तुम किसी को सेव करना चाह रहे हो, तुमको अपने आप को सेव करना है. That's just that mirror वाला. When you see something in the other person, that's you. वो अब समझ आया. I needed a second marriage for that. तो अब समझ आया. So yeah, I think equal red flags. Yeah, I'm sure he also saw red flags. It's always both ways. Yeah, it's all varying degrees, yes, but it's always both ways.
Right.
10 साल कैसे चलेगी वरना शादी?
हाँ, facts.
10 years.
Right. So, what do you think? Why women hesitate to move out even when things aren't right?
This is a deep question. I feel डर. अब ये डर किस चीज़ का है? I think जितनी बंदियों को मैं जानती हूँ, the women that I know and I speak with, also being a counselor, you know, that is something I do for women. A is familiarity. That I understand the most, because when my ex-husband and I parted, I think the biggest pain, जो literal heartache होता है ना, was because वो daily जो energy तुम्हारे साथ चिपकी हुई होती है वो चली जाती है, जिसको लोग सोचते हैं दुख दर्द and all that, वो सबसे पहले पार करना होता है कि एक जगह पे आप राइट हो, आपके लिए राइट हो रहा है, और दूसरा ये पेन आई है बहुत गंदी वाली ऑफ लैक ऑफ फेमिलियरिटी कि हर रोज वो बंदा तुम्हारे साथ नहीं होगा, सबसे बड़ा पेन वो होता है. Now my question here to women will be, या तो उसमें जीते रहो, फिर रो मत, then don't complain, because either ways आप दोनों तरफ रोने की जगह मिलने वाली है. ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसे बाहर आके ऐसा नहीं है कि it'll be all roses and cakes ना, वो नहीं होगा. It'll be, वो बोलते हैं ना, choose your hard. So either don't complain every day, मतलब once in a while you can, but if you're terribly if you're not living your highest life, your highest potential, then ask yourself. So that is number one, कि is it the fear कि ये चला जाएगा? अब then I keep saying one must write a lot. It really helps if you write it down. Okay, what am I scared of? Then I say there are 3 M's actually. Okay, men, motherhood and money. I feel women, motherhood, क्योंकि motherhood ना हमें थोड़ा वो करके रखता है, जकड़ के रखता है. Motherhood, as beautiful a concept it is, women somehow feel that they can't do it alone. And I will say it straight out, women might get offended, men actually might, I don't know. Women are anyway single mothering their children, whether they are in a family or not, at least in India. कौन आदमी है यार? And ये बोलते हैं ना, what a hands-on husband. ये बोलने की ज़रूरत क्यों है? तुम father हो. Hands-on का क्या मतलब है? तो हम hands-on professional women हैं. You and I sitting, you are questioning, sorry, not questioning, you're interviewing women, throwing questions at women with this podcast, or men, whatever, but I'm talking about women, behind the hustle. तो बंदी काम कर रही है, तो ये हैंड्स ऑन अप्रोच है क्या? मतलब विल यू से व्हाट अ हैंड्स ऑन प्रोफेशनल वुमन, माय गॉड.
Oh, of course, I see all those photos on Instagram where they're showing the celebrities also with their kids, and they say what a father. I mean, those are basic things to be done.
Yeah.
If you're changing a diaper, it's a basic thing that needs to be done.
Yeah, so तो ये सब, गेट ओवर इट. एंड ये बंदियां भी बोलेंगी, यार सो लकी यार, योर हस्बैंड इज सो हैंड्स ऑन, स्टॉप इट. तो तुम ही कर रहे हो, फिर तुम ही बोलोगे नहीं. स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट द, स्टार्ट क्वेश्चनिंग थिंग्स एंड हैव द गट्स देन टू स्पीक अबाउट देम कि ये गलत हो रहा है. ये कोई हैंड्स ऑन नहीं है यहाँ पर, उसका काम है, यू नो. सो एनीवे, सो दैट इज, तो मदरहुड क्या होता है ना, वो जकड़ लेता है, बिकॉज यार वो बॉन्ड है, आप माओ मैं माओ, वी आर ऑल लाइक, कि जकड़ के ऐसे रखता है. इन टर्म्स ऑफ गिल्ट कम्स, इट्स अ डीप बॉन्ड. फिर उसमें जब आपको गिल्ट फील कराया जाता है ना एज अ वुमन, दैट्स अ टफ प्लेस. आई अंडरस्टैंड ऑल वुमेन दैट आर स्ट्रगलिंग. मदरहुड फर्स्ट होता है, विच इज बच्चा अकेला तुम कैसे करोगी, जैसे वो बच्चे का दिया जाता है ना, बच्चा. एंड हियर्स वेयर आई वुड लाइक टू से ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. माय सन हैज टोल्ड मी टुडे that I've not seen you this happy. And mama, and he's He's proud of me. Yeah? He's seeing how his mother is again starting. So in a way, एक वो हो रहा है ना, little kind of you're showing your son that a woman can. I didn't do it for that, but वो byproduct हो रहा है. And he's happy, I'm happy. That's what matters. ये जो है ना यहाँ होना है वहाँ होना है, अरे फिर बच्चे का क्या होगा, नहीं. And आजकल तो divorces left right center हो रहे हैं. It's become a norm. Get out if you're not happy. One life. कल दोष आपका ही होगा, किसी और का नहीं होगा. क्योंकि लोग यही पूछेंगे, निकल जाते हैं यार, तब क्या बोलोगे? और आपके घर वाले जो आज रोक रहे हैं, या कल जब आपका बच्चा will be a little will have issues because of the marriage or abusive marriage, whatever. We are hearing these statements day in, day out. I deal with children like that who have parents who are abusing each other and they keep saying, why can't they separate? So that's again a story that is being fed to us. So that's motherhood. Money. This irks me too much. यार zero पे आ जाओगे ना तब भी कमा सकते हो. क्या डर है? किस चीज़ का डर है? किस चीज़ का डर है? And respect for labor. Can I tell you a very fun? Okay, this I will. First time I'm sharing this with anybody. So I've not taken alimony from any of the husbands. Okay, there was a little bit of maintenance for some years from the first one for Arav, and yes, he did pay for something like which I can't touch for his education. But alimony नहीं लिए मैंने कि मेरे को maintain करो. मेरा था वो कि यार मैं मेरा choice है, मैं तेरे तू क्यों मेरे लिए pay करेगा यार मेरे upkeep के लिए, तो मैं कोई वो हूँ क्या? That's my thought, huh? Please, this is not for other women. And the second one, some complication happened, we can let it be, right? Now, when I was, Arav and I were talking, and there was this one day, जब मैंने Arav को बोला, I was looking at the accounts and stuff, and I was like, how will we do this? तो randomly मेरे मुंह से निकला, baby, I did use the word help, you know, house help. I'm like, so I think I'll have to just figure out the house help. Like, I was thinking I will maybe let go of one. मैं ऐसा कुछ मेरे मुंह से निकला. You know what Arav said? He's like, Mama, I'm sure you can, there are other things that you can try. You can try interior design. मैं कहा, sorry? मेरे को समझ नहीं आया. मैं कहा, मतलब? He said, no, you're going to become a house help, is it? मैंने कहा, ये कहा, you think I'm, and again, because उसको सिखाया गया from day one. He thought I will go and apply as a cook or a झाड़ू वाली. Because, and I was very proud of him that day. Very proud. Extremely proud that he has no distinction. That's my point. मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ करना है, but if push comes to shove, I'm saying, आजकल के ज़माने में आप पैसे नहीं कमा सकते हो. इतना लो कॉन्फिडेंस है कि आपको बंदे की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी जो, you know, who's not okay. This is for women जिनके घर, मतलब, who are not okay. I'm sure there are, I know of a lot of men who are amazing. You know, in terms of being husbands. अपने ऊपर वो करो यार. Fall, get up, fall, get up. So money is the second one. And third is men. The reason why you are leaving. Yeah, this is what I believe. So this is what I would like to tell women. Don't worry. And आज के ज़माने में, today we are in 2025. Come on, man. Choose your happiness always. Be selfish. Be extremely selfish. You're not going to be.
It is being selfish, or it is being about considering yourself first?
I'll say selfish. I'll say selfish. I've done all the selfless stuff and all that. Saying it, today I'll say selfish, and I know it will be misunderstood, but I'll still continue. And those who will understand it will understand it. There is a color to the selfishness I'm talking about. But ab jab tak apna dhyan, because what happens is we are taught that apne aap ko bhool ke do for others.
Right.
And then if you do a little bit for yourself, then you're called selfish. This is not that. This is not that. This is मैं अपने आप को कितना empower करूँगी, इतना empower करूँगी कि मैं बहुत freely power बांट पाऊँगी. This is that. So it comes under selfishness, and I'm saying be selfish. Yes, be selfish.
Okay. So ये मेरा clickbait हो गया. और मैं ये So when we are talking about financial independence and financial empowerment, how important do you think it's there for every woman to be financially independent?
1000%. जितना भी पैसा हो, सबके पास varying degrees में होता है. I've learned it the hardest way. The hardest. I've had a very funny relationship with money till last year. Very, very funny. And considering that I have 4 or 5 professions to choose from, if I look at the, I would say proportionate जो होता है ना, yeah, of course we are all well-to-do. We are from, we are all kind of similar backgrounds. But एक होता है ना that अगर इक्वेशन बनाओ कि आपने इतना हार्ड वर्क किया है तो इतना होना चाहिए, वो नहीं है, नहीं था, अब तो बन रहा है because I've understood it the hard way. But if there is, let's say, an early 20s or mid 20s or 20s wali bandi watching this, 30s and 40s, anybody, whoever this applies to, money. Today's day and age is all about money. You have the money, you'll be heard. You have the money. First, get your money. Get your money in place. Get your money. Money speaks. I've understood it the very, very hard way. मतलब थप्पड़ खा खा के सीखा है मैंने ये. I used to think otherwise. I still feel and want to behave otherwise, but first the money.
Do
Because
you
लोग
think
सुनेंगे
women
तब.
are not because हमारे यहाँ financial education बहुत नहीं है, तो they can't plan also their money, like होता भी है तो they don't know how to manage it and how to plan it and how to uh,
Yeah.
grow it.
यार ये general statement है. Although the women that I'm meeting, they know their stuff, man. They have stuff stacked away, and
Hmm.
not ki tijori mein and all that. No, they're investing. I am investing, and but yes, a majority is not because they're dependent again. They are dependent, So I feel, in fact, the 2 women that are in my team, they're much younger to me. Unko I'm teaching also. That's our job. People like you and me, the behind the hustle wale, the people who are hustling and who know how their money works or should work. I think we can empower them. Chahe 2000, 1000, whatever. Start saving and have your own money. Yeah.
Right.
उससे भी, to answer your previous question, आज अगर कोई woman wants to leave the marriage, ये क्वेश्चन मुझे पूछना है. आपके पास अगर आज 50 लाख अपने अकाउंट में है और आप हो गया, यू हैड इट with your family and whatever, and you're being abused left, right and center, won't you have the guts to walk out? आधे टाइम ये होता है, पैसे नहीं होते.
Correct.
And this I'm not saying it randomly, based on enough experience of talking to women, again, as a counselor or whatever you want to call it. There are dhanna sets in our society living on Golf Course Road, men. They are CEOs of companies and they have crores, huge houses. They are not giving money to their wives. They are not earning. Maybe the wife has chosen. The wife was working in an MNC, left her job, raised the child, and वो कि हाँ तुम मेरे पति हो, ये वो इतना सा देता है. ये please be educated यार. Marry money first. This is what I would like to say. Money will speak. Some of you might be thinking कि प्यार भी होता है. यार, I'm coming from a place में तो प्यार वाला ही बंदे हो यार. I'm very spiritual प्यार person, but जब तक पैसे, या जब शाहरुख खान, क्या करें यार, शाहरुख खान को तो लाना पड़ेगा, है ना? क्या करेंगे? जब शाहरुख खान कुछ बोलेगा ना तो लोग सुनेंगे. अब वही सेम चीज कोई और बोल रहा है जिसको कोई जानता नहीं, थोड़ा आता है ना दिमाग में, यार तू कौन है, तेरे को कम सुनेगा. बात सेम कर रहे हैं दोनों. साधु बाबा जो बातें करते हैं ना यार, अमेजिंग अमेजिंग बातें, उनको कुछ सुनेगा नहीं. मतलब जो कभी कभार, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट स्पीकिंग राइट, वेयर एज आई एम ऑलवेज लिसनिंग टू साधु बाबास. बट माई पॉइंट इज, when you have a lot of money, somehow that's just how the world works. I'm not saying get that अंधा पैसा. आई फील वो मेरे साथ एक और इशू है, वो बाद में बात करेंगे कि इतना पैसा शेयर कर लो यार, दुनिया के साथ इतना सब कुछ हो रहा है, वो अलग, बिल्कुल ही अलग कॉन्वर्सेशन है. मेक योर सेल्फ कंफर्टेबल, हैव अ लिटिल एक्स्ट्रा, be at a place where you have at least, like, your future is secure.
Right.
Believe me, it is a game changer. I'm building that right now. I'm almost there. Yeah. And anybody can. If I can, anybody can.
So art has been your constant.
Yes.
How it helped you deal with all that is been happening around you?
I don't know how to answer this question. I don't know. I don't know how to answer this question, but it's my go-to. And not as a stress buster. It is something that makes me happy. I think to create something out of nothing, that gives me a joy as a human being forever. I don't know anything better. Kuch nahi hai, and then to suddenly create something gives me the highest joy. Now, I wish I was a singer. I really look up to singers who can sing. वो नहीं है. I am a visual artist. and I paint everywhere, and I think that gives me the highest joy. And I think that, yeah, तो दिन में लेट्स से कितनी देर आप दुखी होगे ना, 5 मिनट 10 मिनट, चलो 1 घंटा, पर पेंटिंग जब करती हूँ 4 5 6 घंटे खड़े हो होके ऑन लैडर्स, देन व्हेन यू कंपेयर, दिस इज हार्डली एनीथिंग, देन यू कीप गेटिंग ओवर एंड ओवर, इट्स लाइक एक्सरसाइज, द
Hmm.
endorphins come, like that. That's how I think, that's the best way I can answer your question.
Which has been the most challenging artwork you've created?
आर्टवर्क, सीलिंग यार, छतरपुर फार्म सीलिंग भैया, ओफ,
Okay.
ऐसे बिल्कुल यू हैव टू लाइक, अगर आपका ये बॉडी है ना, ऐसे
हम्म,
आपको अपना नेक करके रखना पड़ता है, इसके ऊपर, यहाँ सीलिंग है, इधर सीलिंग,
हम्म.
योर हेड इज योर नेक इज योर, एंड देन यू हैव टू पेंट ऐसे बिल्कुल
Oh my
ऊपर,
God.
सी, एंड ऑन द सीलिंग,
Mhm.
and your legs are on the ladder, so you have to be, you fall, you have to really be, there's nothing supporting you, तो आपके हाथ में ब्रश है, आप ऊपर सबसे ऊपर रंग ऑफ द लैडर पे हो ऐसे, सो योर
Oh.
सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी इज गॉन फॉर अ 6, अच्छा आप पेंट आप ऐसे करते हो ना सामने या नीचे,
Mhm.
वो भी गया आपका पूरा डायनामिक, आपका पूरा बॉडी समझ नहीं आ रहा है, हाउ इज इट वर्किंग, योर मोटर स्किल्स, देन यू लुकिंग अप, ओ माय गॉड, जो चीज टिपिकली विल टेक मी अबाउट आई थिंक 7 8 hours took
Right.
me a month.
What are things that you've painted on?
What are the things I've painted on? Oh,
I've seen your saris. I've seen, of course, walls, ceilings.
तो पहले घर से स्टार्ट करते हैं, सो सीलिंग, वॉल, फ्लोर,
Hmm.
ये तीनों हो चुके हैं, फ्लोर इन अ स्कूल, एक्सटर्नल बाहर,
Hmm.
तो ये 3 हो गए सर्फेसिस, ये हो गया घर, घर के अंदर होता है फर्नीचर, फर्नीचर,
Hmm.
घर के अंदर होता है किचन, किचन्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ दरवाजे, ग्लास,
Hmm.
मंदिर्स, मंदिर के अंदर स्टैचूज, फिर ले आओ कपड़े, कपड़े, टी शर्ट, शर्ट्स, स्कर्ट्स, जीन्स, शूज, ये हो गया, देन your normal canvas, walls, paper, yeah, bags,
Right.
everything, name it, पत्थर, everything I've painted on.
क्या नहीं किया है जो करना चाहते हो?
Paint?
Hmm.
यार, कोई यार एक्सटर्नल बिल्डिंग दे दे यार, मतलब ना पूरी बड़ी बिल्डिंग मेरे को भी ना ऐसे लटका दे, ऐसे जो होते हैं ना लटक लटक के पेंटिंग कर रहे हैं, मेरी भी रील्स बन रही है यार, और ना वो वायरल हो रही है, इसी करने का कुछ डूइंग, दैट विल बी फन, कि ना क्रेन से लटकी हुई हूँ, कहीं दिख नहीं रही हूँ, ओ मजा आ जाएगा, लाइक टू पेंट वन ऑफ गुड़गांव's बिल्डिंग्स, वाओ, बाहर
The
एक्सटर्नल,
high rises.
high rise,
Oh.
not high rise like that, I don't have vertigo, but you know what I mean, like 3 4 floors की पूरी
Hmm.
साइड वॉल करने को दे दो यार, कोई सुन रहे हो तो दे दो यार, I would love to, love, and I'll just know I'll do wonders. Yes.
Very nice. So, art, architecture, art, MBA, podcasting. How did that move ahead?
How you asked me how did that, like the journey,
Hmm.
जो आ रहा है आते जाओ यार, जो मन कर रहा है करते जाओ, चलिए यार,
कैसे बैलेंस कर लेते हो सारा? These are like different genres completely.
ये मैंने खुद से भी बहुत बार सवाल किया है,
Hmm.
and what I've realized is एक काम कर्म योगी, you know, so अगर मैं कोई कर्म नहीं कर रही हूँ तो मेरा वैसे ही ना धज्जियाँ उड़ी होती है मेरे दिमाग की, ठीक है, एंड यार मुझे करना होता है एक टाइम पे 5 6 चीज़ें, सो and yes, there is a very deep need A to create, and B, in fact that's my motto, create impact.
Hmm.
One is to create, always be creating, and one is to impact people in a good way, and not कि देखो यार मेरे को कितना बाबा जी मैं सिखाऊंगी तुमको, मुझसे सीखो, वो नहीं, कि गेस व्हाट, मैंने ये सीखा, दिस डिडंट वर्क,
Hmm.
अच्छा मैंने ये सीखा, दिस वर्क, सी इफ इट हेल्प्स यू, वो है मेरे अंदर, मतलब जब मैं कुछ सीख भी रही होती हूँ मेरे दिमाग में होता है अब मेरे को बताना है सबको कि यार ये मैंने कुछ नया लर्न किया है, ये काम आएगा, लाइक दैट, so
So,
therefore podcast and all of those
right.
things.
So, any very any story that you've had which was very heartwarming, very touchy when when you were doing Voice of Silence? You would like to talk about it? I mean, एक होता है ना कि हम बहुत सारी stories करते हैं, ठीक है, और फिर we move on. But some story that was difficult to move on.
There were two, but I'll mention one. The other one will make me this thing. Deepa Kulkarni ki ek thi, but that I will not talk about. We know that. The other one was Surbhi. Surbhi is a person I know. She was married to an army officer. She was pregnant, and her husband was, I think, at Jaisalmer or Jodhpur, one of these places. I think Jaisalmer. वहाँ पे ना firing का वो होता है. There's a field where they do firing testing. He lost his life there, and she was, I think, 8 months pregnant with their child. How that tiny little girl, how she did not disintegrate, and how she chose to raise her child on her own, and also मतलब वो होता है ना, एक तो बिल्कुल टूट जाओ, एक होता है ओके यहीं तक हमारी जर्नी थी, एंड दे वर मैडली इन लव. यू कैन मेक आउट, ओके, आई हैव नोन हर फ्रॉम बिफोर. Madly in love, this girl is a gem of a person, and how she let him go, that I was like, this must require a different level of strength and self awareness.
Correct.
And that she's giving to her child, that moved me then, it still moves me now. I remember crying on the podcast terribly with that one. And even now, that left, like, I go back to that every time I'm in my worst moments. That helped me. I was like, if she can do it, so can I. I don't have similar circumstances, but whenever you're in a dark space, that is one of the topics that I remember, and I pick myself up.
Right. So, अगर हम बात करें content creation की, because you have been creating some amazing content of late. Earlier also, I used to love your dancing videos. So I am somebody who, as a social media marketer, I do not encourage entrepreneurs doing dancing on the screen. I mean, it's you're there to promote your brand. So, but your videos are not on your business page. So, but I love your dancing videos. So how, I mean, where does that come from?
Expression. आज मन कर रहा है डांस करो. That's it. And I think, as any artist would agree with me of any kind, you want to be seen. You know, I dance a lot at my home. Imagine अगर एक वीडियो बाहर जा रहा है तो 10 तो अंदर नाच रही हूँ मैं. This, please, okay, that, yeah, that I need to tell everybody who's watching, who's probably seen a few. I dance, I'm always dancing at home. I'm making some dance movements always. I talk like I'm dancing, and my son बेचारा उसको भी मतलब लगता होगा क्या है, टाइम ड्रामा और डांस चल रहा होता है घर पे. So yeah, I feel you're dancing, dance. मतलब मन कर रहा है डांस करने के लिए कर लो. प्लस आई वाज अ जुम्बा इंस्ट्रक्टर ना, सो तो है वो अंदर नीड.
थोड़ा सा जुम्बा की स्टोरी बताइए. You must have helped so many people with your Zumba classes.
Yes, we used to have so much fun. This was around the same time, I had to rewind to our conversation where I said I put on weight after my first marriage. Then लगा कि तब तक I was not a gym rat. तब तो समझ में नहीं आता था strength training and all that. That time I was still in the place of, oh my god, कितना weight हो गया, हमें weight lose करना है बस. And I've always been a dancer. I used to do Shamak Davar. I've done 2 of his shows as well. Yes, that's where it comes from. So I came here and I was like, क्या चल रहा है लाइफ में यार, मुझे डांस करने का अपॉर्चुनिटी कहाँ मिलेगा. Zumba had suddenly picked up then. So there was this girl, Nupur Banerjee करके है. She had a studio. I signed up. I think I just did it for about, I think, 6-7 months, when she and her partner, they said, by the way, you can be a Zumba instructor. Now see, this is what. So I was an architect that time. I was a I still am a practicing architect. That time again I got like backlash from my family कि आर्किटेक्ट होके कौन जुम्बा इंस्ट्रक्टर होता है. मैंने कहा अरे देखते जाओ अब तो क्या क्या बनेंगे हम. So I think that was my first, where the artist was coming out. I don't understand this. I can be whatever I want. And I became a Zumba instructor. That went on for 12 years, Ruchika. 12 years of my life. And yes, so many of them are my friends, my students, and they're all connected. And we asked them, my God, we used to have fun. So much fun in those classes. So it started as a measure to lose weight. But honestly, it was me dancing.
Right.
And leading. You know, like helping. See, same, creating. So as an artist, dancer, and impact. And I used to study, I used to research, and I've never been judgmental ever. I think that's why we had a solid never. I'm not that person. I'll not look at your body and ये तुम्हें ना मैं बताती हूँ ठीक कैसे करना है. जी नहीं. आप यहाँ पे आए हो, you're way better than the people who are not working out. Women used to be like, मैं कैसे करूँगी, मेरा ये है, मेरा weight. No. Uplift, man. Uplift women. We used to have a lot of fun. That's what it was.
So tell us something about your art studio.
So, okay, so it's called Kanika Ghosh Design House. We had launched actually when in my previous marriage, I think second or third year of my marriage. This was always a thing that I wanted to have something of my own, and there I would like to credit my ex-husband as well. He helped me a lot into setting it up. But हर चीज़ का time होता है ना, तो start भी किया था. I won a pitch actually in Gurgaon Moms. I was one of the winners with Slurp Farms यार. We had won the pitch together. Slurp Farms, of course, went where it had to, but I had won it with them. I had pitched, but then stuff started to happen, a lot of stuff. So ठीक है, तो वो ठप हो गया वहाँ पर. अभी started again. It's all about art basically. It's about my art on stuff, my art on things. What you just asked, चाहे furniture है कुछ हो. So there are two parts to it. One is the printables. I feel art. ये एक चीज़ है मेरा. आपने देखा है थोड़ा elitist हो जाते हैं ना artists that थोड़ा ना जैसे देखा है कभी when you go to a museum. This reminds me of Kandinsky's this and that, and बाकी लोग ना उनको ऐसे लगेगा हम कितने डफर लोग हैं यार. तो I don't like that. Art is art. Art is something that you have to enjoy. So if you have to enjoy, you can't have classes in art who's appreciating art. I know that gypsy market में ये जो अपना gypsy market है, एक बार एक gypsy ने मुझे आके बोला था अरे कितना सुंदर है मैडम ये something I was unloading at park there. She was like कितना सुंदर आप तो कलाकार हो ये तो बड़ा सुंदर है दीदी ये मुझे दे दो दे दिया तब फ्री में दे दिया था ये किया है मैंने बहुत लोगों के लिए भैया आपको कोई somebody is appreciating your art हर चीज में नहीं पैसा डालना है not that नहीं डालना so that's ये सोच के today I have made two divisions of the art one will be the limited edition yes because it's only one of a kind it will be expensive then there is the printed मेरी art है छापो मेरी art है but it's my art or artist by the way it's an artist collective also I'm getting artists lippen artists embroidery artists all come under one roof and promote art let people buy anybody coming to KKDH आपके पास इतना बजट है या बड़ा वाला बजट है सबके लिए आर्ट है that
So let me tell you one of my favorite of something that I have seen on your page. वो क्या बोलते हैं वो आर्मी वालों की जो बक्से होते हैं
boxes
हाँ उस पे आपने एक
box
painting
भी
करी थी.
thank you for reminding me box भी करती हूँ paint I forget
So I loved that. It was beautifully done.
yeah there were 2-3 there must be one I don't know which one you're talking about but yeah they come out yeah it just flows yeah and freedom मिलना जरूरी है
I know.
एक दो बार फ्रीडम नहीं मिला those were lovely experiences पर वो दो ही थे I will not talk about them but there were two experiences only two in my entire life imagine so I'm lucky ना दो
तो आपके अंदर इतना सारा टैलेंट है एक्टिंग
act I would imagine
कैसे नहीं ट्राई किया शाहरुख खान फैन आपने एक्टिंग क्यों नहीं ट्राई किया
कैसे करो यार कहाँ जाओ अभी और अभी तभी मैं पुकार रही हूँ उसको मैं चाहे मेरे पोस्ट हो मैं अपने सारे पॉडकास्ट में SRK जी सुन लो अभी बुला लो कोई तो बुला लो मुझे अब कैसे जाएंगे ना अभी तो
मैं सर के कोई बुला लेते हैं
बुला लीजिए प्लीज प्लीज बुला लीजिए
आई विश ही इज लिसनिंग टू अस
I hope it does.
So anything in specific you would want to tell women some things that you would want to tell women in specific
डर हटा दो यार बस एंड एक चीज याद रखनी है हमेशा वही चूज आपको डर पीछा नहीं छोड़ने वाला कभी भी कौन सा डर चाहिए आपको ये चूज कर लो कौन सी टाइप की खुशी चाहिए वो चूज कर लो आइसक्रीम तो हर तरह की होती है ना तो आपको स्ट्रॉबेरी ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है कि चॉकलेट और अगर चॉकलेट अच्छी लगती है और स्ट्रॉबेरी आई हुई है लेकिन आपको चॉकलेट ही चाहिए तो देन चूज बट आइसक्रीम तो दोनों तरफ रहने वाली है ठंडा तब भी लगेगा दैट्स माई पॉइंट टू से इट इन नॉर्मल वर्ड्स शादी में रह के दुखी होने वाले हो बाहर रह के भी दुखी होने वाले हो ऐसे बाहर जाके ना वाओ ऐसा नहीं है बट लाइक लेट्स से फॉर अ पर्सन लाइक मी माई फ्रीडम इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट यार मतलब I can't work without freedom. I can't live everybody for that matter, but some people are okay. I'm not. Like it really bothers me. Now maybe tomorrow, I'm just saying, maybe I attract a companion. Let's say first I have to work a lot on myself. Who's free? I'm free. तो वो फिर रिलेशनशिप में भी फ्रीडम आ गया और बाहर भी फ्रीडम है राइट सिमिलरली लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द नेगेटिव्स दैट सफोकेशन या डर मैरिज में लग रहा है वो जरूरी नहीं है कि बाहर नहीं लगेगा तो वो प्रायोरिटाइज सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज जस्ट प्रायोरिटाइज यार एंड अगर सारा दिन ही दुखी हो सारा दिन एक ही चीज के बारे में सोच रहे हो कंसल्ट कर लिया लोगों से योर बॉडी इज गेटिंग अफेक्ट योर बॉडी इज योर बिगेस्ट biggest sign. If you started to feel some things in your body, you have to be attuned with your body, of course. And if you see changes, in case you're a mother and you're seeing changes in your child, that's your cue. Get out. Yeah, and same for men. Get out. Although I don't know कितने आदमी बेचारे तरह मतलब उनके साथ कुछ हो रहा है ऐसा औरतें उनके ऊपर कुछ कर रही हैं. Men typically don't ask for divorce. It is women who do. I think
Right.
that's statistically proven. I think that's a fact pretty much. Very rarely will a man ask for a divorce. So कर लो यार, एक जिंदगी है, हो जाएगा. और आजकल बहुत सपोर्ट सिस्टम है, बहुत है. I'm telling you, I've had amazing women uplifting me. Few men, very few, none from the family, all from outside. They've supported me like how. आ जाते हैं, आ जाते हैं.
I have one more question from what you said. So NLP आपने किया, ठीक है? Was it to cope up with everything that was going inside you?
Yes, somewhere yes. It coincided with my Vipassana. I was बहुत छटपटा रही थी यार, मेरे को ना समझ नहीं आ रहा था हो क्या रहा है जिंदगी में. You start displaying very funny behaviors, and वो funny behavior के बाद जब आप अपने आप को याद करते हो ना, क्योंकि मेरी तो जिंदगी मूवी की तरह ही चलती है हमेशा. वो क्लिप्स जब आप जैसे literally reels in your head when you go through, and you're like, what did I just do? What was this? Why did I do it? You don't have any answer. अब तुम्हारे पास आंसर नहीं है doesn't mean there's not a reason for it. I'm that person, yeah, I'll find out the reason. So I was like, how do I find out? अपने आप ढूंढना मुश्किल होता है when you are in it. How can you don't have the answers? So either spirituality will help you or science will. So I did both, like NLP and Vipassana.
What was the Vipassana experience?
Vipassana it changes your life. Yeah, it's a before and after. It's a before and after Vipassana, and it doesn't happen cut करके. अब जाके I can say Vipassana करके अभी मुझे 3.5 साल हो गए हैं. Today I can tell you Vipassana के effects. How was Vipassana? It's very tough. It's not for everybody. People, a lot of my God, अगर कोई videos मेरे गए हैं to international audiences and I've got mails from people, it's actually been on my Vipassana videos. You know, that कैसे किया, क्या किया. And a lot of people have this misunderstanding that it's some retreat. उस पार रिट्रीट्स होती है ना कि अरे यार क्या क्यूकम्बर जूस मिलेगा यार, मसाजेस होंगी. जी नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You will meet the dirtiest, ugliest side of you, which you won't have, you can't exit.
I have read stories and heard stories where people actually leave
They
in
do.
couple of days.
They do. Fourth day is the day that you know everything changes. A lot of people leave on the third day.
Right.
Fourth day आते आते, fourth day अगर आपने survive कर लिया आप कर लोगे. You have to sit on the ground 10 hours, every 100 hours of meditation, and you have to stay quiet. यहाँ तो 2 घंटे आजकल चुप रहती हूँ, मेरे आंसर्स आ जाते हैं आजकल because I meditate daily. तो अंदर not 2 hours. What I'm saying is I stay silent mostly because it's me and my son now. He goes to school, then I'm only silent, you know. So it's helping even more. It's only here that I'm talking so much. But आप silent रहोगे तो आप अपने आप से बात करोगे, और अगर आपके अभी शुद्ध thoughts आने लग गए हैं तो सारे answers and your intuition. पहले I used to tell people that my intuition walks ahead of me. Now my intuition and I are the same. I'll sit, I'll feel, somebody will say something कि ये करें वो करें, I'll just feel it. It's a yes or a no, clear. It's so clear now. नहीं, I don't have to explain. No, I won't do. क्या explanation है? Like you asked me, there are a few more people. हमारा कर लो ये वो. You said, I said yes. वो अंदर से आया. It's a yes. Like
Right.
that starts to happen. So Vipassana makes you meet yourself. That's the best way. And we are not pretty people. अंदर गंद भरा होता है भाई साहब, उसके लिए guts चाहिए होते हैं to face the demons. It's easy to point fingers ना. यहाँ जब देखते हो ये तो मेरी गलती है, गलती नहीं, मेरे अंदर है ये मेरा lack है. All humans have that.
So how are you and Arav living the life now?
We are in a happy place, yeah. Like a normal parent and child. He's in his 10th right now. I am building a business, and he's a teenager, so you can imagine those things. And bas, kar rahe hain. We have 2 dogs. It's a cute, tiny little family having fun, having a lot of fun.
Great.
and not taking anything seriously, including his 10th, including my business. Nothing seriously. It's all like, yeah, मजे करते हैं.
जिंदगी है चल रही
जिंदगी
है
है, मजे करेंगे.
शाहरुख खान के स्टाइल.
Always मजे करो बस. मजे करो.
This time, the Hustle Bustle Hamper is sponsored by INSEA, the ultimate destination for fashion accessories, Midas Touch Unisex Salon, premium choice for your hair and beauty. We evolve ancient healing, modern living, rooted in nature. Nefertum, the god of perfumes. Home Kriti, gorgeous ideas for your home. Navkriti, gardening solutions from soil to soul. Discover your journeys, boutique travel experiences. So let's head to the rapid fire. So tea, coffee or wine?
Did you say decaf coffee?
Tea,
Oh,
coffee
tea.
or wine?
Coffee. Hands down. Hands down.
Mountains or beaches?
Mountains for sure.
Messy desk or spotless spaces?
Messy. You can't work in spotless places.
First SRK movie you ever watched?
Dar. Kanika. I love you, Kanika. Come on, Kanika.
So a dialogue of SRK you can say anytime and anywhere.
मैडम जीतने के लिए तो कुछ हारना पड़ता है और हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं मैडम.
If you had 10 minutes with SRK, what would you ask him?
Ask. Wrong question, Ruchika. Please change the verb. It is very adult now. We will not discuss on camera. Ask kuch nahi hoga udhar. Please continue. Ask. I know everything I need to know about him.
Zumba or dancing reels?
Today dancing reels. Zumba is over, so that kind of gives me that little fun.
Sari or jeans?
Jeans. I love saris, but the work that I do is jeans. Jean shorts.
Books or Netflix?
Books. Any day.
Your guilty pleasure food?
Jalebi.
Jalebi? Seriously? I also love jalebi.
250 ग्राम एक टाइम पे मैडम खाती हैं.
Wow. A habit you're proud of and one you still want to break?
I think reading and meditating. So out of these, meditating, I would say more, a habit that I'm very proud of. The one that I would like to break, some food habits, yeah, mostly. But if I have to be very, okay, there's a silly one, very silly. I tend to bite, like I'll take, suppose you and I are sitting, आप अपने घर बुलाओगे and we are close enough where you trust me. खाना बना हुआ है, मैं वो खाने नहीं वाली, but I'll take a bite of your खाना. वो एक bite निकला हुआ होगा, you'll know ये करने का नहीं किया है. बहुत गंदी आदत है this.
A song that always lifts your mood?
It has to be Shah Rukh Khan's Mitwa.
Ah,
Mitwa, yeah. Always.
What's harder, designing a building, raising a child, or social judgments?
Raising a child, hands down.
If your life was a film, title क्या होगा?
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
That was a very nice rapid fire, and we have this wonderful hamper for you, Kanika.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here, Kanika. Last few lines that you would like to say to our audience?
Keep smiling, yeah. Keep smiling, spreading kindness. Be kind. Be kind to yourself. Smile to yourself, to your loved ones. And spread the smile and spread the kindness. I think that's what I would like to end with.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ruchika. Thank you so much for having me over.
Thank you for all the love that you are giving to us. Keep watching us and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Behind the Hustle, Ruchika Verma.